Hey, Rachel.
Hey, I'm running late. Can you start shooting without me?
Yeah, I got this. How's that? Good?
Hey, can I try on the beard?
You know, every man is said to have his peculiar ambition.
Okay, and action.
70 years ago, Ellison Painting was born. We believe are endowed upon us by our Creator. Those of performance, the key, and levity, which of course means that we believe are
Hey, Lenny.
endowed upon
How's it
us
going?
by our Creator.
Awkward.
Those of performance.
Brad, when I said we were shooting an Honest Abe ad, I was talking about a cell phone video where you tell people who you are and why they should trust Ellison Painting.
Oh. Well, people trust us because we do great work and we treat them fairly.
Yes, but this ad is for people who've never worked with us before.
We could have them read our reviews. Or, is there any way we can get these on screen? Perfect. For what truly reveals a company's character is the honest reviews of the people. And I call that democracy.
Not bad, Mr. President.
Are you saying that as my marketing director or as my wife?
Both.
Awkward.
Become our next 5-star review. Schedule your estimate today.